Yo, 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 it's your boy, Cardinal Red, and you're watching the Ghetto Gardener. And today I'm going to teach you how to grow German tomatoes in a water bottle. This is a pretty simple technique, and anybody should be able to do it and get plants as big as these. Well, first of all, you're going to need to take a clone or a cutting, and these are basically cuttings or clones, and you're going to want to take these clones. You don't need any rooting hormone or anything. You're just going to want to stick them inside of a water bottle for about 8 days. After 8 days, you know, right here, this is the picture of an internode. Now, this is not an internode that you want to take the clone with. This is an internode of a fruiting. This is a fruiting node. So, but this is basically what an internode looks like. Right there in that corner is where you want to take your cut. But you don't want to take the cut from the fruiting nodes. You only want to take them from the growing tip nodes. After about a week, well, I'd say after about 2 weeks in the ground, this is what my plant looked like. And you're going to want to either take, if you have an indeterminate, you can just cage it. If you have if you have an indeterminate, you're going to want to take and string it up, because those plants, they just keep growing. If you have a determinate variety, you're going to want to cage it. And after a few weeks, this is what your plant should look like. This is after about a month in the ground. And I'm starting to get tomatoes, get my first sets of tomatoes. And the plant is maybe almost about 5 feet tall now. And this is, like I said, a pretty simple process. Anybody can do it. Just need a cutting, a tomato plant, and a bottle of water. And you should be able to get tomatoes that look just like this, man. I hope you guys enjoy. Please stay tuned for more of the Ghetto Gardener. Alright. Hey, yo, peoples, if you would like to learn how to grow hot banana peppers like these, please stick around for my next episode of the Ghetto Gardener. We outta here.
I've been on my grind, dog. Shit, I'm down and lost my mind, dog. When a nigga didn't catch that turn, dog, had to take that as a sign, dog.